Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick guide on how to download your data from Gmail using your PC with the latest updates. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to myaccount.google.com. This is where all your Google account settings are housed. Once you're there, look for the section titled Privacy and Personalization. Under this section, click on Manage Your Data and Privacy. This will take you a step closer to accessing your data. Scroll down until you find the option that says Download or Delete Your Data. Here, go ahead and click on Download Your Data. You'll be directed to the Google Takeout page. At the top of this page, click on Deselect All to clear the selection. Now, take a moment to browse through the list and find Gmail. Check the box next to it to select your Gmail data. Before moving on, click on the arrow next to the Gmail option. This will allow you to see any specific categories within your Gmail that you may want to exclude from the download. After you've made your selections, scroll down and click Next Step. Now, it's time to decide how you want to receive your data. Click the small arrow under Delivery Method to view your options. You can choose to get a link via email or have the data sent directly to a cloud service. You can also customize the export frequency, file size, and file type to suit your preferences. Once you've confirmed all your selections, click on Create Export. And there you have it. Your Gmail data will be on its way to you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.